Welcome back. We're riding to 57 Motorsports to acquire or purchase a fairing bolt for this Hayabusa, because when I did the tail swap thing, I had to cut that notch in it, or that slot in it, for a flathead screwdriver because the thing was stripped out. And it looks ugly and I don't like it, and I want a fresh looking bolt in that hole, so we're going to get one. And it's local, so I don't have to drive, or I don't have to order it and pay $25 shipping for a bolt. I ordered a bolt off of Revzilla one time. That bolt alone, the cost and shipping was over $10 for one bolt. Might have been a little less, but I also bought something else along with it, so the shipping kind of splits up. But I'd rather get it a little cheaper. And you can't seem to find fairing bolt kits that are truly OEM stock unless you buy the bolts from Partzilla or Revzilla, and you have to buy each piece individually, and it would probably cost you $300 for just the bolts, which is crazy. There's a fire truck. My clock is wrong on this bike. I think I've decided the name for this bike. I don't know, I've been calling it the old bird. I mean, a Hayabusa is a bird, and it's old, and it's like fast as an airplane, just about. Well, you know what I mean. It won't do 500 miles an hour, but it seems like it. Could have gone a faster route, but traffic in front of them was too bad, and this traffic's worse though. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, yeah, I'm back. Wanted to conserve the battery a little bit. cross a bridge. Making sure my mic is plugged in correctly. It's been kind of glitchy. I can't wait till the new GoPro comes in. Hero 10 Black. The Hero 10 Black, that's it, yeah. So it's actually really nice out. It's a little humid, but not bad. Probably be starting up another channel that'll be related to my job, selling automobiles. I'll basically be doing videos of all the vehicles that are available, kind of give people an easier way to shop. I'm sure there's other folks that are doing it at the same dealership, but hey, I'm trying to sell the car also. I guess we'll go straight. These folks want a tailgate. $1.99, or is that $199? They have sizzling specials. This is great. We got road construction. Oh, they're just working on the curb, I think. They're paving that side of the road. That's good. This road has needed paving for like 80 years. No joke. 80 freaking years. I ain't even that old, and ever since I was ever even knew this road existed, it's been this bad. We should do pavement review videos. That would be awesome for motorcyclists. Grade the riding surface and what recommended bikes would be recommended to ride on said surface. this would definitely be a good surface for supermoto, maybe dirt bikes for sure, and adventure bikes. Cruisers would be okay on it, I think. It's pretty rough. I don't know if you'd want to go super fast on this with a sport bike, although it is grippy. It's not smooth, which to me that's less tire contact to surface contact with all the little bumps. To me, could potentially cause a sliding situation. This is more like 80 grit sandpaper, or 40 grit. Okay. Hate to say it, but these pants I'm wearing, they're not too small. They're just stiff. Hard to get my feet up on the pegs today. We'll be back shortly. Back. Another battery saving intermission, but we're almost to our destination as well. Well, that wasn't good. I didn't click it up hard enough and went into neutral. Right in front of the police station, but I wasn't trying to do anything wrong. It was an accident. We're taking the highway home, I think, once we leave here. We can get on it now. One car, go. I don't want to put my feet on the ground. Here we go. Huh. Oh, there they are. Howdy. Oh, we're in neutral. Okay, we'll be back.